Hello students, this is Seema Singh, your SSC teacher. I will start chapter 6 in geography, major relief features of the earth. We have studied about the earth as a planet with huge continents and oceans. We also learned that the surface is not smooth and has an uneven surface. If you even went on a holiday, you may have seen land in its different forms. In this chapter, we shall see the various forms the land surface take and how they are formed. Formation of landforms. We have studied that the earth is continuously moving. It rotates on its axis and even revolves around the sun. We do not feel these movements, even though these movements are faster than probably any car or the earth. Internal process. The earth's surface is made up of several huge plates called tectonic plates. The movement of the tectonic plates causes changes in the shape of land. There are continuous activities happening inside and outside the earth. These are known as the internal process. They causes the rising or sinking of the earth. External process. The other activities that occur over the earth's surface are called external process. The external process causes erosion and deposition. Erosion. Erosion is the process of degradation and removal of the earth's surface. Repeated heating and cooling of rocks and stones develop cracks in them. Rain, lightning and thunder, along with winds and storm, causes them to break further into the finer particles. Deposition. Deposition is also called the process of the aggregation. In this process, eroded material like the debris and finer particles of sand are moved by wind, waves, and rain, and they keep getting accumulated at one place. Major landforms. Landforms are broadly classified as mountains, plateaus, and plains. Let us see how the various landforms are formed. Types of mountains. Mountains are classified as fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. Let us see them one by one. Fold mountains. These mountains look like a series of folds on the ground. These are formed due to the compression of plates during their movement. The Himalayas in India, the Alps in Europe, and the Andes in South America are examples of such fold mountains. Block mountains. These are formed when the plates drift outwards and cause vertical displacement in piece of land. Pieces of land may sink downwards or rise upwards. The uplifted blocks are called horst and the lowered blocks are called graben. The Vosges Mountains in Europe is one such example. Volcanic mountains. These are mountains which are formed as a result of volcanic eruptions. Such mountains are found in many parts of the world, especially towards Japan, New Zealand, North Europe, and South America. Importance of mountains. Mountains are affect the movement of the winds and flow of water. Many rivers flow out of the glaciers in the Himalaya and other region of the country. These rivers provide water for agriculture and other use to people living in the plains. Mountains have rich deposit of minerals. Many people visit the mountains for adventures and tourism. Many sports like rock climbing, parasailing, skiing are associated with the mountains. Mountains have a variety of flora and fauna. Plateaus. Plateaus are a type of raised ground which are particularly flat on top. They are like tabletop and stand distinctly from the rest of the surroundings. They are generally formed by cooling of volcanic material which settle down and solid after the eruption. Many Eastern African countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda also have plateau. The Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world and is also called the roof of the world. Importance of plateaus. Plateaus are characterized by rich mineral deposit. For example, Chota Nagpur Plateau in India enriched in coal and iron. The plateau which have black soil are good for growing crops like cotton and other cash crops. Plains. Plains are the most common landforms and they are flat or nearly flat surface which could be formed by the external process of erosion and deposition. They are normally formed by a fine soil called the alluvial or alluvial soil. Some of the famous plains in the world are the Gangetic Plain in India and Huanghe in China. Importance of plains. Plains have fertile soil and they are also rich in minerals. Fertile soil facility growing of crops. People and the landforms. People have always chosen to live at places where they could get food, water and shelter. They also live in high mountain, in jungles and in desert. This lead to people migrating to town and cities in search of jobs and livelihood. The government of India has taken many steps to save the environment and to bring about cleanliness. Use of plastic have been controlled and the such as Swachh Bharat have been undertaken to ensure a better and healthy environment. Thank you.